The point is, an investigator cannot be judged at the same time. Do not judge.
No, they are not judging. That's
No,
not
ang importante rito is the objectivity, sinasabi ko na sa'yo.
Are you trying to steal the show?
No. I'm raising prejudicial
So
questions.
you're
I
creating
am
trouble
sinasabi ko,
to prevent the proceeding?
Mr. Chair, sinabi ko na sa iyo, the interest of this committee is the impartiality, the objectivity. Sana huwag kayo magbibigay ng opinion. Why did you choose, for example, Bryce?
That's my opinion. You cannot question my opinion. Outside of this hall, you cannot question my opinion. You also express your
I
opinion.
am questioning your opinion because you are the chairman of this committee, Mr. Chair.
What's your opinion?
Ang mangyayari nito, so, mas credible si Bryce kesa Diskaya. Bakit ganon? Why are we trying to prejudge this? Hindi, Mr. President, we are still in the process of investigation. If we are in the process of investigation,
Why are you
then
so
we should
protective
not
of the
judge.
Discayas? Why are you so protective?
I am not protecting them. Mabuti sinabi mo yan, Mr. Chair. Pwede ba natin i-record ito? Palagi niyong sinasabi, I am protective of the Discayas. When I was chairman of this committee, sinabi ko na sa inyo, the only remedy provided under the law is for them to apply if they qualify under the process of witness protection program. That's all what I did.
Session is resumed. Session is resumed. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.